What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of your boy Jabril, and today we're making Italian burgers on the Blackstone. I know, very exciting stuff, but before we get too far ahead, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that sub button and notification button. Make sure you throw a comment down below. Enjoy the video. I don't know what I just did there. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to start with is I'm going to start with the marinated tomatoes that we are going to put on the burger, and I will put the recipe for the marinade in the description below. But I have here just two nice-sized tomatoes, and we're gonna slice them up. And honestly, beefsteak tomatoes would work really well with this, okay? And like I said, just slice them like you would for any normal burger. And I want some thickness to these, just because it'll make the burger nice. Okay, then I have a quart-sized Ziploc that I'm gonna put these guys in. Okay, in this, I'm gonna put a tablespoon of minced garlic. Okay, then I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Okay, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, a teaspoon of salt and pepper, a half teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a few dashes or a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Okay, and then just kind of gently move this around best you can without squishing all your tomatoes. Make sure you get in between all of that. Marinade really get in there and the seasoning get in there. Okay, we're gonna set these off to the side. Okay, and then now I'm going to thin slice some red onion. And then when we go out there, I'm going to cook it with a little bit of brown sugar, some salt and pepper. We're also gonna do a little bit of garlic powder, some avocado oil, some red wine vinegar, and then just a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And again, I'll put the full recipe for that in the description below as well. But I'm going to slice this, and I know I only have part of an onion. It's just what I got, but 1 whole onion will do. Okay, and then cut this in half. Okay, put these in a bowl to take outside with us. Okay, we got our onions, we got our burgers. Let's head outside to the Blackstone, shall we? That way. So everything is done. I got my buns all ready to go, nice and toasted. So let's grab a couple of buns. All right, then I'm gonna grab a couple of my burgers. All right, and then next, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my caramelized onions. Okay, then I'm gonna throw on a couple fresh basil leaves. Okay, and then I have some burrata here. I have never had burrata before, I'm not gonna lie, but it's mozzarella cheese. I love mozzarella cheese. What could possibly go wrong? So, I'm probably gonna do a half of ball instead of a full one on each one, plus it's a lot of cheese. I might even do like partial amounts, like a third of one, but I've never actually done this before. So we're gonna find out, okay? That looks kind of hot, I'm not gonna lie. Now, we're gonna add a couple of our marinated tomatoes. All right, here are our burgers. Let's try it out. All right, I have no idea how I'm going to attack this. Just look at it. Just look at it. It looks so beautiful and pretty and colorful. Cheers. Wow, that is, holy cow. The herb seasoning comes through quite nicely on the burger. The basil kind of adds a little bit of freshness. Those caramelized onions are fantastic. So the burrata, it's kind of got like somewhat of a salty bite, but it's definitely a creamier cheese than normal mozzarella. It's still got that coolness of mozzarella, of fresh mozz, And then those tomatoes are just, and the caramelized onions picked up just a little bit of char on the Blackstone. Wow. Well guys, there you have it, an Italian style burger on the Blackstone. That was absolutely amazing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you're new, make sure you hit that sub button for me. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. And as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I need my other burger first. That's mine.